Fortunately, there was very little wind and not much tide in this corner of the harbour, so getting away even single-handed was relatively easy. First I went down onto the pontoon to let go the warps. The engines were running nicely on tick-over in neutral. Very important to make sure the mooring warps are completely inboard. I had already singled up the bow line so that I could simply flip it off the cleat from on board. Then back up to the flybridge. With a twin engine boat, there's no need to touch the wheel, it's all done on the throttles. Just a gentle touch astern and the boat eases out. Maybe a slight tweak with the bow thruster to keep the boat straight. The advantage of the flybridge is you can see both ends, so you can make sure that as you start to swing the bow with the bow thruster, the stern isn't swinging into anything else. And gently, both throttles ahead. Sit down and steer with the wheel for a little while. The boat picked up speed rather quickly, so put one engine into neutral. We were here on a Hardy rally and there were 8 boats of over 40 feet, and you'll see them in a group just there as we go past them. Handsome fleet. Just as we get to the turn, one of the harbour launches appears, so we had to stop and let him go by. Then one engine ahead, the other astern, and a touch of bow thruster, and we swing into the exit lane. They're coming towards us on the wrong side of the lane. It's the harbour master's launch with another visitor coming astern. The obvious thing to do was to pass green to green, which is what we did. Quick wave to our friends as we pass them. And then concentrate on making sure that there is nothing else entering or leaving the harbour. All looks reasonably clear. One boat there, but we'll be well clear of him. There's a yacht coming in, so we make sure we give him plenty of room.
right, Captain. Over. The nose gets heading to the harbour berth and starboard direction from the engines. It will be inside the harbour, over.
And then, as we clear the entrance, we gently ease up the throttles.
We will enter harbour and wait for a taxi. Over.
And we're out into the Solent.